Future with the smart digital key, seamlessly integrating your smartphone with your Yaris Cross experience. Safety redefined. The Yaris Cross is not just a car, it's your vigilant partner on the road, equipped with the latest in Toyota teammate safety technology. And just when you thought it couldn't get any better, the Yaris Cross steps up its style game with the stunning Premier Edition, a testament to sophistication and elegance. Underneath its sleek exterior lies a powerhouse, the enhanced hybrid electric powertrain. This fifth-generation hybrid technology brings forth the Hybrid 130, offering a dynamic fusion of performance and efficiency. With a significant boost in power output, acceleration becomes not just a number but an exhilarating experience. Enhanced torque at all speeds, coupled with a low center of gravity, gives the Yaris Cross an agile and responsive nature. Whether navigating city streets or embracing open roads, this SUV offers a driving experience that's pure joy. Step inside, and the digital marvel unfolds. The Yaris Cross boasts an intuitive, customizable digital interface that adapts to your preferences. From the driver's combometer to the multimedia touchscreen, it's all about seamless connectivity and effortless control. Unlock the future with the smart digital key, a simple touch, and your journey begins. With smartphone integration and remote access via the MYT app, convenience meets innovation. Safety isn't just a priority, it's a commitment. The Yaris Cross leads the way with Toyota teammate safety technology, a suite of advanced features designed to protect, assist, and provide peace of mind. But style isn't forgotten. The Premier Edition stands as a beacon of sophistication, elevating the Yaris Cross with exclusive finishes and captivating design elements that turn heads at every turn. The new Yaris Cross, a fusion of power, innovation, and elegance. Toyota continues to redefine excellence, setting new benchmarks in the world of compact SUVs.